How much does heating, ventilation, and air conditioning repair usually cost? On average, homeowners pay between $150 and $600 for a typical repair, though bigger issues like a broken compressor can run over $2,000. Think of your heating and cooling system like the engine in your car. Small problems, like a dirty filter or a blown capacitor, are usually quick and cheap fixes, often costing under $200. But bigger problems, like a broken compressor or a refrigerant leak, can cost over $1,000 because those parts are expensive and take longer to replace. Something a lot of people do not know is that many technicians charge a diagnostic fee, usually between $75 and $150, just to figure out what is wrong. And that fee sometimes gets applied toward the repair if you move forward with the same company. Another thing worth knowing is that the age of your system matters a lot. If your unit is older than 10 to 12 years, repairing it might not even be worth it, because you could end up spending hundreds of dollars fixing an old system that breaks again soon after. A rule many professionals use is to multiply the cost of the repair by the age of the unit. And if that number is more than $5,000, it is usually smarter to replace the whole system instead of repairing it. One common mistake people make is assuming every strange noise or smell means the whole system is broken, when often it is just a simple part that needs cleaning or tightening, so always get a second opinion before agreeing to a big repair. Another mistake is skipping regular maintenance, which is one of the biggest reasons people end up with expensive repairs in the first place, so scheduling a yearly tune-up for around $100 to $200 can save you thousands down the road. A lot of people also do not realize that not all technicians are equally trained, so it is smart to ask if they are licensed and insured, and to get at least 2 estimates before agreeing to any major repair, since prices can vary a lot between companies for the exact same job. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JawBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.